Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so as usual, we are starting with Nifty today. We already have our levels and we had a very good trade in the morning, which again we captured 1:3 and we exited. So let's see how it's going. So if you see today, the market opened and it immediately started gapping down, like it gapped up and it started coming down. This was expected. Whenever the market gaps up, it'll pull back, it'll give a pullback. Sometimes this pullback continues, but because the market is bullish, it took a good support on yesterday's closing. That is, yesterday's closing becomes resistance today. No, becomes support today. So it took exactly the support, and 5 minutes time frame we entered it. So exactly here is where we entered. This is where we entered the trade. Okay, this price we entered it. I entered and I stayed quiet. I did not do anything. So 1:3 was this. So this is how the trade went today. This is how the trade was. You guys see, this is how the trade went today. It was a good trade. It was a very good trade. So we traded, and then after that we stayed away from the market because it reached its resistance point. So we did not trade anymore. This is how the trade was today. So tomorrow's action is, if market opens flat and if it survives this level, that is 21,780 and above, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be 25 to 30 points. Okay, that's it. Negative, no, we are not at all shorting it because the market is positive. Why to short it and take unnecessary losses? If it gaps down, then this will act as a good support. This level will act as a good support according to me, at least, because it spent a lot of time here, and in 1 minute time frame scalpers would have gotten a lot of their stop loss hit here. This level or this level might take a good support, that is 21,735 or 21,740. These two levels I'll be looking forward to trade only on these levels, nothing before that. Okay, so let's see how it trades, or if it gaps up, I'll wait for it to come down and then start going up. If it gaps up, I want it to close somewhere on this candle, that is 21,800 and above. I look forward to buy it. Okay, so these are the plans for tomorrow on Nifty. So basically this is the trading plan. So we keep 2 to 3 plans ready for next day, and we trade when our criteria meet. Okay, so and tomorrow will be the last session of the year, which is really exciting. So even in Bank Nifty we captured 1:3 today. I just deleted that. This is the trade. So here's the we captured it. So let's get rid of it now. Now in Bank Nifty, there it might become a sideways market tomorrow because of this, and it is consolidating. It should surpass this level of 48,630 and above. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy it. Before that, no, I'm not looking forward to buy it. Or 48,620 and above, if it goes also, it's fine. We can buy it. Means I will buy it, and I'll be shorting it only post 48,129 and below. Okay, so these are the levels for tomorrow, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, if you guys see, I took a trade here. It hit my stop loss. This took my stop loss, and then this was a very good level for me. This is a very good level for me. So market came here, took a good rejection, so I have shorted it again here. After this candle I entered it. I'm holding this trade. My stop loss is here. Let's see how the market goes. If it goes down, it's well and good, but I've shorted it at $73.24. If market breaches $72.35 and below, I'll be aggressively shorting it. Okay, before that I'm not going to short it. My buying levels are above 74 and 07. Okay, sorry if my numbers would have been wrong. Let me redo it again. I'll be aggressively shorting it only post $72.37 or 35 cents. Okay, and now I have shorted it at $73.25. I'll be buying only post $74.10. So these are level for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, we entered here yesterday. We captured 1:5. This was a resistance level which was marked earlier. We exited. Now again is coming to that level. I'm waiting for it to give a good test and then go up. Even if I don't get this trade, it's totally fine. I'll definitely wait for my level to be tested. Only then I'll be looking forward to buy. So if I get a price of see this, if I get a price of 2071, I'll be looking forward to buy it. This will be another 1:5 trade. Okay, so gold is also bullish, so we are looking into bullish trades. We have 5 stocks for swing trading. First one is Indian Energy. Indian Energy was on a sideway for a very long time. That is, it was on sideways from 19 September 22 to today. That is almost 465 days done, and now it has given a breakout. Tomorrow it might come for a retest. If it comes for a retest, well and good, I'll look forward to buy it. 160 rupees to 165 rupees anywhere. If I get, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be below this candle. Okay, so next is UBL. UBL is a good stock. Again, in UBL on a weekly time frame, this is a very solid resistance. That is 1715 is a very solid resistance. 1738, 1740 is a very solid resistance. Now, if it crosses anywhere above 1760, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be 1700. Okay, next is UPL. UPL was on a downtrend, then it started going uptrend on a smaller time frame. So see, basically till this is not crossed, that is a 614 is not breached, nobody will buy it. But here I'm buying it, it's because I have a setup called as a breach setup. Okay, so breach setup has been triggered here, it got triggered here, that's why I'm buying it, and my target is only till this. It's fine, my target is only till this. Still I'm getting a 1:3. Okay, so tomorrow if it crosses around 590, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 580. Okay, so that is UPL. Again, Eicher Motors. Eicher Motor, here my breach setup signal got triggered. That is the only reason I'm entering here. So if I get a price of 4110 to 4130, I'll be definitely buying it in this gap, and my stop loss will be 4035. Okay, next is ITC. ITC, if you guys see, this is a trend line which got tested twice, thrice actually, sorry, 1, 2 and 3. Now it's giving a breakout. There is a high probability of it testing and then going up, so we can wait for the test, or we can definitely buy it. But the ideal place for it to buy will be this. That is this is the breach. Okay, so this is the breach. So what will be the ideal place to buy is if it goes up and then comes here is where people buy. Okay, this is how at least trend lines work. But I'm buying here tomorrow because that is my level, because my signal has been given here already. My breach setup signal has been given, so I'm waiting for it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.